Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your environment and authenticating. Do that now. Install the official libraries with pip, and then log in using your token so you can pull private or large models. Once done, pick the right model family, text, vision, or audio, looking at the model card for framework and license details. Make sure to note dependencies and minimum torch or TensorFlow versions. You'll avoid surprises if you confirm CPU versus GPU needs before downloading weights. You now load and execute the model. I'll show how and why each step matters. Use Pipeline for a fast path. Pipeline's wrap tokenizer and model, handling pre- and post-processing. For control, instantiate auto tokenizer and auto model, set model. To CUDA when you have GPU and manage batch sizes to fit RAM. Once done, tune generation settings like max length, temperature, and top K to balance quality versus cost. Also, watch tokenization edge cases. Truncated inputs change outputs noticeably. You finish by persisting and sharing your work, plus one key troubleshooting tip. Save both tokenizer and model with save pretrained so you can reload identically. Push to hub registers artifacts for collaboration. For inference, wrap calls in Torch. No grad, monitor memory, and consider 8-bit or dynamic quantization to run on limited hardware. If something breaks, start by checking for tokenizer/model mismatch and correct framework versions. Make sure CUDA drivers and library versions match, because most runtime failures trace back to those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.